want to present the next speaker. I mentioned coming forward with both financial resources and with management support, and is from Willbrook Management International, Iulia Andresoiu. Okay, thanks.
Bună ziua, mă numesc Iulia Andresoiu și reprezint Willbrook Management International astăzi, aici. Vorbesc în numele doamnei Diana Voicu, Managing Director al Willbrook International Management, și doamna care vă transmite scuzele și regretele pentru a nu putea participa astăzi, dar care insistă să transmită sprijinul entuziast al companiei pe care o conduce pentru inițiativa pe care ne-am adunat să o dezbatem astăzi aici. So, who is Willbrook? Willbrook is a British-born company, is an international company, which is offering a full range of real estate services. It has focused lately on the Central and Eastern European countries and the opportunities that the real estate markets are offering in this area. And what is interesting and important to know about Willbrook is that it has chosen to develop projects for a special target, which is a premium target, a very demanding one, consisting of outstanding individuals and corporations. That's why we believe we are a good starting point for trying to prove that sustainability and profitability goes together well. The Willbrook portfolios covers a wide range of categories, starting with office buildings, Class A office buildings, luxury residential areas, shopping centers, hotels, industrial spaces, logistics centers, and so on. The company is focusing on Central and Eastern European countries, and it has started its activity here in 1998. What we want other people to perceive us, we want other people to understand that we stand for luxury, glamour, excellency, and lately green architecture. We are really trying to promote green architectures in the emerging markets we are developing our projects, and we have started doing so in Romania already. The size of the business is pretty sizable. We are talking about more than 3 million square meters of land to be developed, and we are developing in this part of the world projects of almost 6 billion euros estimated market value. I am here today to express Willbrook's position following green principles in developing buildings. We are determined and we are dedicated to a set of ecological guidelines which are developed on 5 key areas of environmental and human health. Sustainable site development is one of them, water savings, energy efficiency, material selection, and indoor environmental quality as well. And how do we understand to go about it? I would like to explain to you going through 2 of our projects, presenting 2 of our projects currently under construction. The first one, it is called Willbrook Platinum Business and Convention Center. It is a high-end business and convention center situated on DN1, close to the forest. It is designed to be a premium business destination for Bucharest, but next to the 5-star services that we intend to offer, we believe that it's extremely important to be able to develop this big, almost huge convention center in accordance with green architecture principles. And we also believe that this is marketable. This is how the convention center will look like. Well, what is green about our development? We are talking about innovative ecological strategies for water and energy management and conservation. We try to implement a special irrigation system and water efficient fixture inside the building, aiming to save annually water, significant amounts of water. In the same time, we are using recycled wastewater in order to limit the use of potable water for irrigations. This is the intention. Other features are electrical pulses instead of harsh chemicals to treat the water. These methods have proved to be very efficient elsewhere, and we would like to implement them also here. Sensor and timers, which are ensuring the lights are being turned off when rooms are unoccupied or there is already sufficient daylight. Energy use to be further reduced through using a solar water heater and extra insulation. We're also talking about new filters, cutting-edge filters, humidity control, also carbon dioxide monitoring systems, which are sending signals to the air conditioning systems that are aimed to trigger corrective action if necessary. Of course, we are talking about selected materials. And when we say selected materials, we are looking at the recycled content of those materials. Also at the regional origin, the proximity of the areas where those materials are being taken from in order to reduce pollution through transportation. And also the low chemical emissions while developing those materials. The benefits of this, we believe, are the positive impact on public health and on the public and on the environment, of course. But also we believe that it is possible to reduce operational costs, implementing green architectural principles as well. But what is more important is that we truly believe that there is an opportunity in marketing the fact that we are developing, or we intend to develop green buildings, although we know that in the public conscience, green is something very new. We believe that together with such initiatives like the one today and with lots of other people which are sharing our interest and are exploring together with us development of green projects, that we will be able to educate the market to appreciate a green development. And of course, not proven yet, but we truly believe that there is potential in increasing the occupant productivity as well, because people are working better when in a green environment. The second project I would like to talk about is a project in Bulgaria. It is a luxury residential project on the Bulgarian seaside at Varna. It is about a gated community located on the beach with a gorgeous view on the bay in front. It is about luxury apartments and amenities in the same time, as property management will be ensured by Willbrook Management International after the occupants have taken over their apartments. This is how it will look like, with plenty of greeneries, with nice landscaping, which we already found out that our target appreciates. In line with Willbrook's focus on green architecture, the compound in Varna applies also a set of green guidelines. Here we're talking about eco-friendly facade materials like wood, natural stones, organic plaster and glass. We're talking about extensive green areas and roof terraces, which are limiting the effect of heat islands. Again, it is about selected materials in terms of proximity of the place they're being produced. We're talking about local resources extracted and manufactured within the region, and very important for our target again, using the minimum indoor air quality performance. The project preserves the natural greenery, which we believe is extremely important and also appreciated, but is integrating it with modern and luxury architecture and design. The upper part of the complex is terraced. The lower side is shaped to be close to the natural terrain. there is again a very nice landscaping around the roads in the complex and in the compound. In conclusion, what we believe is that the real estate sector has a strong responsibility in promoting green architecture. To come back to the egg and the chicken story of Stephen, we believe that each one should try to really get out of these vicious circles and do what is possible in his or her area. And that's why we are committing to do so as a real estate developer. We believe we have a responsibility to our homeowners and tenants. We have a responsibility towards the local communities, the current ones and the next generations. And therefore we give our vow to sustainable development and to the initiative of today, which we understand to further support. Thank you very much.